Mashabiki ma Inooro TV oho na mafans ma Wambui wa Muturi matigitwo na gikeno nduhio na mbugiririo ri ndeto njega iria Wambui arekereirie akimenyithia andu horo mwega thutha wa matuko maingi kegukorwo atakuonekana on our screens. This comes after Wambui wa Muturi uria watabanagia show ya thereruka gwa ceceni Inooro FM oho na show ya uria ndagitari kwa Inooro TV kugumirwo ni ndwari ya hinahi where she was admitted to the hospital on an emergency situation, but thereafter Wambui was forced to take a medical break from her job thutha wake gukorwo akirikwaya further treatment. Ndeto iria Wambui arekereirie ng'enda-ini ciake na ndeto ciatigire mashabiki make ona masho ciake na kieha oho na gucakaya ndeto yo, but Wambui has come out once again rita riri akuwite horo mwega uhoro wake nerero muno na mafans were never expecting the news to happen this soon, but God has done it again kuri Wambui wa Muturi ona thengia wa gikundi kimwe kia huthiria ng'enda guthirurukia ndeto iria Wambui ateaneirie ciegie gubutwo wira kwa Inooro, na Wambui has revealed good news ari ndeto yatiga mafans make na gikeno akiuga finally she's back to work, she's back to Inooro and she will be hosting her favorite show ya uria ndagitari, show iria iratabanagio ni presenter Karo Kenyugo wa Mwaura arita munyitiriri wa kahinda karia Wambui was on a medical leave. Wambui akiuga from next week on Tuesday henceforth niwe urikoragwo agitabania show ino and happy she's back. Mafans make ona mashabiki ma Inooro makiumiria in huge numbers come welcome back, makenete muno oho makihithuria na ku acknowledge Karo Kenyugo for her tremendous presentation ari kunyitirira show ino endeire wega. Wambui wa Muturi took to our social media pages kubura ndeto ino akiuga officially back to work and doing what I love most. See you on Tuesday coming week on Ndagitari Show Inooro TV 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. daily. Thank you to you my fans for your patience and prayers. All our show sponsors especially Equity Bank and Equity Afya, asanteni sana. My Royal Media family, thank you for being more than colleagues and my bosses more than employers. Your love and understanding is overwhelming. To Karo Kenyugo wa Mwaura, you outdid yourself girl, kudos na salamu ziliwakilisha vilivyo mama. All glory to God, health is wealth, let's prioritize it. Ugima mwega wa mwiri ni kirathimo tucokagirie Ngai ngatho hingo ciothe. Njitagwo Wambui wa Muturi, ndumiriri ya Wambui kiamukirwo na gikeno kinene. Karo Kenyugo ariwe wa mbere ku welcome back to Inooro akimwira Wambui wa Muturi welcome back to serve the masses as you always say. Ugima mwega wa mwiri ni kirathimo. Thank you for appreciating my acting capacity on this educative program. You are blessed. Cheers to more grace, energy and purpose to tackle matters held. Mafans na makiumiria with much joy to welcome Wambui wa Muturi back to studio. Matogoretio ni Sira wa Wajiko akiuga glory to God and welcome back Wambui wa Muturi to our other beautiful host. She outdid and covered the gap. We never felt your absent. She blended so well with the show. Karo Kenyugo wa Mwaura, you're such a gem. Everyone deserves to have a Karo in their lives. Blessings Garore mama. Cecilia Wagari akireke na kuga welcome mama. I really missed your morning Thereruka program. You really nourish my soul in the morning. I love your voice, very soothing when it comes to shepherding. And from us we say welcome back Wambui wa Muturi, we missed you.